Welcome back to the channel, meal preppers. If you are tired of soggy sandwiches and desperately want a steaming hot home-cooked meal in the middle of your workday, you are in the perfect place. Today, we are reviewing the best insulated lunchbox for hot food. We've rigorously tested 5 incredible food jars and heated boxes that guarantee your soups and stews stay piping hot for hours. Check the links below and let's dive into the reviews.
Product number 1. Travelissimo Electric Lunchbox. Starting off our list is the Travelissimo Electric Lunchbox, an incredibly efficient 100-watt heated container that actively warms your meals anywhere. Unlike standard insulated jars that slowly lose heat, this box plugs right in and brings your food up to perfect serving temperature in just about 35 minutes. It comes with a generous 1.5-liter capacity, offering plenty of room for a hearty lunch. The best part is its versatile power compatibility, as it includes adapters for a standard wall outlet, a 12-volt carport, and a 24-volt truck connection. This makes it an absolute lifesaver for office workers, truck drivers, or anyone constantly on the road. The interior features a removable food-grade stainless steel tray that is dishwasher safe, ensuring quick and easy cleanup. If you want a guaranteed hot meal without ever relying on a communal microwave again, the Travelissimo is a fantastic daily companion.
Product number 2. HydraPeak 32-ounce Food Jar. Next up is the HydraPeak 32-ounce stainless steel vacuum-insulated food jar, an incredibly durable option designed for those long, demanding days. Built from high-grade 18/8 stainless steel, it utilizes double-wall vacuum insulation technology that genuinely keeps your food steaming hot for up to 10 hours or perfectly cold for 16 hours. The extra-wide mouth design is a huge advantage, making it effortless to eat your chunky soups or pastas directly from the jar without making a mess. It features a completely leak-proof lid with an integrated folding handle, allowing you to toss it securely into your backpack or work bag without worrying about annoying spills. The powder-coated exterior provides a rugged, sweat-free grip and comes in a variety of stylish colors. If you need a reliable, heavy-duty thermos that holds a massive portion and refuses to lose its heat, the 32-ounce HydraPeak is outstanding.
Product number 3. Wivens Thermo Food Jar. Coming in at number 3 is the Wivens Thermo Food Jar, an expertly crafted 32-ounce container that adds a clever twist to standard lunch storage. This stainless steel thermos boasts exceptional double-wall vacuum insulation, confidently keeping your meals hot for a solid 6 hours. What makes the Wivens unique is its internal bento-style design, featuring a separate bowl compartment that allows you to keep different foods from mixing until you are ready to eat. The completely leak-proof lid is designed with a hidden carrying handle and a seamlessly integrated folding spoon, so you never have to worry about packing extra cutlery. The silicone base prevents the jar from sliding around on your desk while you eat. With its wide mouth and practical airtight exhaust valve for easy opening, this food jar provides an incredibly convenient all-in-one lunch solution for busy professionals and students alike.
Product number 4. HydraPeak 25-ounce SS Vacuum Insulated Food Jar. Our fourth contender is the HydraPeak 25-ounce stainless steel vacuum insulated food jar. This model delivers the exact same premium performance as its larger sibling, but in a slightly more compact, travel-friendly footprint. It still utilizes that excellent double-wall vacuum insulation to lock in temperatures, ensuring your meals stay hot for 10 hours or refreshingly cold for 16. The 25-ounce capacity is absolutely perfect for standard lunch portions, slipping easily into smaller bags or purses where a larger thermos might feel too bulky. You get the same wide-mouth access for hassle-free eating and cleaning, along with the incredibly sturdy, leak-proof lid featuring a convenient folding handle. The premium powder coating resists scratches and odors, ensuring your lunch always tastes exactly as it should. If you want uncompromising thermal retention in a highly portable, everyday size, this 25-ounce HydraPeak is a flawless choice.
Product number 5. POVDEC 67-ounce. Rounding out our top 5 is the massive POVDEC 67-ounce stainless steel vacuum-insulated food jar, the ultimate solution for extreme meal preppers or those working long double shifts. This thermos is an absolute giant, featuring an innovative 3-tier stackable bento box system inside. It includes 2 15-ounce containers and 1 20-ounce container, allowing you to carry a rich multi-course meal like soup, rice, and protein completely separated. The outer canister uses robust double-layer vacuum insulation to keep everything piping hot for up to 6 hours. Each inner container features its own dedicated leak-proof lid with an automatic air release valve, guaranteeing zero spills. It even comes with a customized insulated carrying bag equipped with a shoulder strap for effortless transport. For anyone who needs to pack a massive amount of food for the entire day while keeping it fresh and organized, the POV-Deck is simply unbeatable. Check the links in the description below for the most up-to-date pricing on all these lunchboxes. Hit that subscribe button, leave a like if this helped you out, and I'll see you in the next video.